Hello friends, I welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video learn about the selected value here. So we'll see how selected value work. First of all we'll see its definition. Basically it returns the value when the context for column name has been filtered down to one distinct value only. Otherwise it returns the alternate results here. Its syntax is the selected value, column name, after that the alternate result here. Column name, it is the name of an existing column using the standard DAX syntax. It cannot be an expression here. And what is the alternate result here? That is the optional only. The value returned when the context for column name has been filtered down to 0 or more than one distinct value. When not provided, the default value is the blank here. So now we'll see with the example here. So this is one of the means data model we have. This is the product name here in the given table. So in this slicer we have the product name here, and after that this is one of the card where we have the selected value here. After if we see here, see here what is the means measure here. Cell 1 is equal to selected value, sales product name, please select a value here. So here if you have selected the bike wash dissolver, so here selected value is bike wash dissolver, it is showing here. Now suppose if we selected classic waste, so here it is showing classic waste M here. So here if we selected classic waste S here, the classic waste S is showing here. Suppose if we selected nothing, so here we are getting the result, please select a value here. Again if we select HL dot tire here, so again we are getting the same value HL dot tire. Now if we want mountain 100 black 38, again if you would like want to select it, means we have not selected any value here, it is showing please select a value here. So this is about the selected value, how selected value function work here. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel SLT Power Vision. Thank you.